like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post these videos on a daily basis. Right now, we're having about 50 to 70 new vehicles coming in every week. And social media is the fastest way you can see what we have coming in. This is a 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy. This is a freshwater flood damaged vehicle. Just rolled off the truck. As you can see, it's running. There's no corrosion in the engine compartment. No rust. No signs of water that this was deep. We didn't even detail the vehicle yet. It just came in. There's no water in the lights. This is the top of the line model, fully loaded. Let's do a quick walk around. Body's very clean. Nice alloy wheels. All-wheel drive. We're going to complete this vehicle, just make sure there's no moisture or corrosion inside. We're going to check the electrical system, make sure everything is functioning as it should be. If there's any moisture, we'll dry it out. Have a panoramic roof. It's going from the driver's side. We will have financing available on this vehicle, as we do with all our ready-to-go vehicles. All right, this is the inside. As you can see, beautiful leather interior, cross-stitched, nice panoramic roof, no warning lights on, only 2,200 miles. Carpet's completely dry. Everything's, seats work. Really nice. Smells brand new inside. There's no odor, no mold. We'll still go through the vehicle, make sure there's no moisture anywhere to avoid any future problems. Really nice car. I think the payout on this vehicle was over $50,000. You have the opportunity to own a brand new vehicle like this for 30 to 35% off actual retail value. No warning lights. They really did a nice job with this Santa Fe. Anyway, it'll be on our website soon. We'll have detailed photos, prices, all the details. Thanks for watching.